Ectomorph ka ba? Kung ectomorph ka, ito ang payo ko para sa'yo. Bago ako magbigay ng tips, ulitin lang ulit natin yung mga body types na meron tayo for us to understand kung ano ang starting point natin. We have ectomorph, this one. Sila po yung mga sobrang payatin talaga. We have endomorph, this one. Okay, usually sila yung matataas yung body fat at talagang tabain. And we have the mesomorph, this one. Yung mga binayayaan ng genetics na ang baba ng body fat tapos ang ganda at mabilis sila mag-build up ng muscle mass foundation nila. We're gonna focus more on ectomorph, yung mga payatin. If ikaw po ay ectomorph at gusto mo magsimula ng fitness journey mo, gusto mong pagandahin yung katawan mo, what are my tips? Number one that you have to prioritize, okay, number one, your calories. Be on a surplus. Identify your maintenance calories and be on a surplus. Coach, bakit ko kailangan unahin yung calories? Bakit hindi agad ako magbuhat? Because at the end of the day, if you are not eating more, okay, you will not gain muscle mass, you will not gain weight. Coach, bakit ko kailangan kumain na mas marami, hindi lang ako magbuhat? As ectomorph, yes, ako po, ectomorph din ako before. Tayo mga ectomorph, tayo naman po yung biniyayaan ng genetics na mabilis mag-burn ng calories. Pero ang sad reality ng body type natin, hindi tayo ganun kabilis mag-gain ng muscle mass, hindi rin tayo ganun kabilis mag-gain ng weight. So, meron tayong pros and cons sa body type na to. That's why you have to prioritize your calories. Number one, non-negotiable. Ayun pong uunahin natin. Be on a surplus and you need to make sure that you are hitting your protein count per day. 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. That's number one. Number two, you need to prioritize your training. Coach, what is the best workout plan para sa mga ectomorph? Sa ating mga ectomorph, it's always a combination of progressive overload, meaning mas bumibigat yung binubuhat mo, and at the same time volume, amount of sets that you work out on a particular muscle group. Kailangan combination of two. If I'm gonna choose between the two, prioritize progressive overload. If you're not gaining strength, you're not gonna gain muscles. That's number two. Focus on compound lifts, bench press, squats, deadlifts, OHP. Those exercises would trigger a lot of muscle in one set, in one execution. Okay, that's number two. Train with intensity, prioritize your workout. Number three, get your recovery and rest periods on point. If you have the capability to get 8 hours of sleep every day, be consistent with it because it's gonna help you in the long run. Okay? Again, ulitin natin top 3 things na kailangan mong unahin kapag ectomorph ka at gusto mong magpaganda ng katawan. Number one, calories. Be on a surplus while hitting your protein count per day. Training, okay? Training, progressive overload, and volume, and lastly, recovery. So, yun po ang payo ko.